This meaty pappardelle is the reason I stopped eating spaghetti. Well, you know, the way we make spaghetti at the crib. Mama's spaghetti. Currently stuck at home due to the ice storm that hit Dallas, Texas recently. I was in the mood for a nice, thick, hearty, meaty pasta. First things first, I'm gonna sweat and season these vegetables on medium high for about 2 minutes. Cooking them long enough that they are cooked through, but just enough so that the vegetables keep their integrity throughout the sauce because they're gonna continue to cook. And once the 2 minutes is up and I'm about to add my tomato sauce, I'm gonna add my garlic just to cook that out for like another minute or two. Right before I add my white wine, I'm not using red wine like I'm supposed to because I'm about to use red sauce, but you know, it tastes better. I like the taste of white wine better. But hey, do you, boo, you got it. And sugar goes in spaghetti. Anyway, this is a rich, meaty sauce, so I'm gonna put beef bouillon in my pasta water just so I can have a beef flavor going throughout my pasta dish. The pappardelle is gonna soak up all that beef bouillon and it's gonna taste amazing. Side note, I don't know who these crazy people are that serve their pasta separate from their pasta sauce and they'll just add it together. You're gonna mix it all together anyway. If you put the pasta in there while it's cooking for like another minute or two, it'll taste better. And people always forget to put the pasta water inside your sauce. Like, a lot of stuff y'all be doing, never mind. Anyway, fam, I'm adding the mozzarella cheese and mixing it inside the sauce to make it more creamy. And I'm gonna add it over the top so I can put it in the oven, broil it for like a minute, and I can get a crispy top on top. Crispy top on top. Y'all know what the fuck I meant. Anyway, it fills you up. It's delicious as hell. It's the best pasta I ever had in my life. I'm done with spaghetti. Never eating spaghetti again. Like, look at the smile I got on my face. This one was fire. Fire.